Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna be replacing passenger seat plastic track cover. So to start we'll have to pull this off. So basically you just grab it and pull it off. I already did that, so this is how it looks. You just need a gentle pull and it's gonna pop out. Now you want to bring this seat all the way forward so you have easier access and you can easier work on this removal. So next thing is to pry this open. You basically just pop it out so you can access this seat belt Torx bolt. So to undo this Torx bolt you're gonna be using Torx bit number 50. So then you'll have to remove this plastic cover that's covering that seatbelt bolt. So it has a few clips here. There are some on the bottom, some on the top. You just pry them out and then you can pull it out. Now I'm gonna get to this Torx bolt. Like I said, I'm gonna be using Torx bit number 50 with a ratchet. You can start unscrewing it counterclockwise. Once this is undone, you just wanna put it on the side. Make sure you don't lose this washer and this bolt. Alright, now we have this little Torx bolt as well, and to remove that one you're gonna be using Torx bit number 20. I switched to number 20 and now I'm gonna be removing this one. Remember, you want to keep this little screw because you have to use it on your new cover. So now you can see it from inside. There is one more trim screw in the back of it, and there is attachments right there, which on my it's broken. And this is how it looks without trim cover. So you can see, so one attachment is here, that little trim screw right there. Then you have one attachment here. On these medals you're gonna hook your new trim cover, and that should be it. Alright, so this is my replacement cover. So everything is good on it. It's not new one, but it's good used one. So first I'm gonna attach the front part of it. So I'm gonna hook those plastics to these metal hooks there. I was not able to film that, but like I said, first attach this front one, lift it up a little bit higher so you can slide that top one in. Then this middle one you just wanna pop in, and now everything else is aligned. So we need to replace this little Torx screw, put the seatbelt back on, and don't forget this small one right in the back, the little plastic trim screw. I'm putting back this small Torx screw. That one is number 20. You don't have to over tighten it, just gently. Now I'm gonna put this plastic trim screw right here in the back. Let me just find it. Oh yeah, it's right there. Okay, now you can see where this plastic trim screw goes. just right there. Make sure you push it all the way in. Now I'm gonna put back my seat belt screw. I'm using Torx bit number 50. Make sure that's tight. And now I'm gonna slide this plastic cover on. Make sure it clicks, just like that. And I have my last piece. Just wanna press it in. And that's it. And this job is all completed. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.